Have you ever wondered how such tiny seeds can pack so much nutrition? Welcome to the fascinating world of chia seeds, a staple of ancient Mayan and Aztec diets, now hailed as a modern-day superfood. Despite their small size, chia seeds are bursting with essential nutrients. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health. They're also loaded with fiber, promoting digestive well-being. Not to mention, they're rich in protein and packed with antioxidants. Indeed, these minuscule seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. And you might be asking, what makes these tiny seeds so beneficial to our health? Let's break it down. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health and reducing inflammation in the body. They are also fiber-rich, promoting digestive health and even aiding in weight management by keeping you feeling full. Chia seeds are a great source of antioxidants, protecting our cells from damaging free radicals. And they offer a complete protein, providing all essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. They're also loaded with calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These little seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, aid in hydration by absorbing up to 10 times their weight in water, and even boost your energy. Plus, they can contribute to healthy, glowing skin. It's clear that incorporating chia seeds into your diet can have a multitude of health benefits. Now that we know how beneficial chia seeds are, how can we incorporate them into our daily diet? Well, the versatility of chia seeds makes them a perfect addition to almost any meal. Their mild flavor allows them to blend seamlessly into various dishes. For a quick and nutritious breakfast, try adding a spoonful of chia seeds to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. They'll not only add a crunch, but also a powerhouse of nutrients to kickstart your day. Ever heard of chia seed pudding? It's a delicious and easy-to-make dessert that can be customized to your liking. Simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, garnish with your favorite fruits or nuts. And voila, you've got a wholesome treat. But that's not all. Chia seeds can also be used as a vegan-friendly egg substitute in baking, or as a thickening agent in soups and sauces. With so many ways to use chia seeds, it's easy to make them a part of your daily routine. Chia seeds may be small, but their impact on our health is substantial. These tiny powerhouses are brimming with vital nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They're a boon for heart health, digestion, muscle repair, bone strength, and even skin glow. Plus, their ability to absorb water makes them a hydration hero. But it doesn't end there. Their versatility in recipes, from smoothies and puddings to baked goods and salads, is impressive. So next time you're looking for a nutritional boost, remember the tiny yet mighty chia seed. Your body will thank you.